In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel PayPal automatic payments. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your PayPal account, go to the bottom menu, then select on menu. From here, please select on wallet. Now, towards this page, you should see an option that says something along the lines of manage auto pay. It may say something different depending on where you are in the world and of course whether you have a PayPal business account or a personal account. You may need to go ahead and scroll down a little bit, but basically you want to go ahead and select on this option that says manage auto pay, and then over there it is going to give you a list of all of your auto payment subscriptions that you currently have. I unfortunately don't have any, so whenever I go ahead and press on it, it is just going to take me to a blank page. But if you do have automatic payments on your PayPal account, then it will appear over there, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and locate the service you're trying to cancel. Then from there, you are easily able to cancel it. Now, if you're watching this video and you're trying to do it, you may have some frustration because PayPal is very weird. Like, they're always changing their UI for some reason. They're always updating it. So guys, if you ever run into that issue, what I honestly recommend that you guys do is contact the merchant directly. Now, here's the thing, canceling through PayPal stops future payments, but some merchants require you to cancel subscriptions directly on their platform to avoid service interruptions or additional charges. So let's say, for example, you're trying to cancel a Netflix subscription, for example. Not only do I recommend that you cancel it via PayPal, but I recommend that you contact Netflix themselves. You go on the Netflix website and you cancel it from there as well, because that is going to help you out significantly. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.